how to make friendship bracelets. Step 1. Gather all your supplies. You will need beads. You will need stretch cord. You will need scissors. And a small piece of tape. 2. Cut a piece of cord. Step 3. Tape your cord to the table. Pick your beads. You can choose whatever colors you'd like. 5. Put your beads on your string. Tie a bracelet. You might need a grown-up to help. Step 7. Give your bracelet to a friend. That's how you make a friendship bracelet.